How to use Shein promo code. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with using our Shein promo code. First thing first, you have to open up your Shein application and get logged into your Shein account. Once done, select the product that you would like to buy first because you can only redeem a promo code at the checkout section. In my case, I already have the product that I would like to buy, so let's go ahead and tap on this cart button. Select the product, then tap on checkout. Once you're at this page, make sure that you have entered your shipping methods correctly. My total is going to be this. And now, under payment method, you will see apply coupon. If you don't see it here, you can tap on view more and it will show you all the methods that you can pay with. Tap on apply coupon. Simply paste the coupon code here, then tap on apply. And likewise, if the coupon code is valid, you will be able to redeem it. Just like so guys, this is how easily you can redeem code in your Shein account. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.